Hello, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, I am cooking blindfolded. This recipe is pretty easy, so hopefully it'll go smoothly. But I got this idea from when I did the blind taste test and I tried the different foods. I thought it'd be cool to kind of try a simple dish and base my judgment on that solely by taste and feel, I guess, but nothing by sight. I have my husband here to read me off the instructions and to make sure that I'm safe. There are a few things that I had to do ahead of time, but yeah. If you guys like this video, please be sure to hit that like button, and if you would be oh so kind and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you guys get reminded every beautiful Wednesday when I post new videos like this one. And if you have not already, please check out my Instagram. I do behind the scenes and I go to restaurants and many other things, and I would love for you to take a look at it and see if you like it. Alright, let's get cooking. My husband will be reading me the instructions so that I can do this, because without my sight I can't actually read the recipe. So yeah, what is my first step?
First step is in a bowl, beat the eggs with the chopped peppers, salt, and pepper. Cook the eggs in a skillet so that they're scrambled. You can use the same skillet you use to fry the bacon. Just drain the fat first.
Okay, so I'm going to chop my peppers right now.
Very, very, very slowly.
As far as the bacon though, I already fried the bacon just for like safety reasons with the oil like splashing up and everything. So the bacon's already done. Yeah, so I guess I'm just gonna start with my peppers. Ah, I'm scared. Is this the right way? No, it's this way. Okay. Am I good? Oh, it's kind of lopsided. Oh well. Okay. Well, that wasn't too bad. I also kind of got the idea from, I watched MasterChef. Actually, I didn't watch like the whole thing. Is this a thing I should cut off? This one lady is blind and she won MasterChef. So I thought that was like really cool, and that I don't like how big this is, and that I should try it out. Is this bad?
Yeah, that's another one.
There's another one? This? That's good. And I just thought it was funny, because like when I made my grandma's Thanksgiving stuffing, I had my eyes closed because like the onion was hurting me, and I started cutting. What did I cut? I don't know what I cut, but I cut it with a spoon. I grabbed the spoon and I tried cutting it with the spoon. My eyes hurt so bad. I should invest in my goggles again. Here, like that the blind chef from Chef Master, she won the whole thing. Is it the wrong way? I can't believe you were trying that. I have to pee. Oh, these are gonna be horrible. How did she do it? Alright, that's done. Man, this is gonna take forever. I like want to hurry up, but I know I shouldn't. Okay. Where's the bowl? Is this the bowl? I hope so. Yeah, okay. Whatever. Those can stay out. Okay. My God. Well, if I'm gonna just chop it like that anyways. Ow! I poked myself with the tip of it. Oh yeah, also for, oh, this is the red one, right?
Yeah.
Oh, that was quite a, holy, that was quite a bit I cut off. Aww. Oh wow. my eyes. But then I open my eyes and I see nothing. This. Now I need to crack the eggs into the bowl. Yes? And I only need 5?
So it says, in a bowl, beat the eggs with chopped pepper, salt, and pepper. Cook the eggs in a skillet so that they're scrambled.
Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna know if I get a shell. 3, 4. Ew. Did I get a yolk or a shell that you can see?
Yeah.
I did? Can you somehow get it out? I think I'm done with my knife, so I'm gonna put it over here. Oh, my hair is probably gross. Is it like pretty mixed, or do I still have like whites by itself?
I would do a little bit more.
I'm scared I'm gonna like make it go out. Now I need salt. Ooh, how much salt? Pepper. Good?
Yeah.
Okay, so now I'm going to take it over to my stove and scramble it. And I'm gonna cook it in a wok because I think it's just safer to have bigger areas, bigger walls. Okay. Oh, did I already pour some in?
A tiny bit.
I feel like it's ready. How would you know when it's ready? This is insane. I don't want to cheat, but I do want to cheat. I want to see how it looks. But I can't. It's like I don't even know if it's cooking. Like, how did she do this? I don't like this.
The next step is lay out the croissant rolls on a parchment.
So I already have this done. This is gonna be tricky too. Oh, I don't know how to open these. Ah! You're such a brat.
It opened on its own.
So I need to unroll this. This is the worst. Who picked this? Okay, I got one. This is annoying. I can't feel anything. This might be a small one. Alright, we are back. Okay, so I've got my little star. I think I had to throw away like 1 or 2. I don't know. However many there are. I didn't count before. Whatever. Okay, so next step. Mi amor, dime la próxima, I don't know, step.
On each croissant, roll lay a piece of bacon.
Oh.
Add half of the cheese around the ring. Add the scrambled egg around the ring and top with remainder of the cheese.
Oh my gosh. What is this? Take a picture of this. Hey Google, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Sure, 20 minutes. And that's starting now.
Alright, the timer has just gone off and I'm going to pull it out. I still have not looked at it. I don't know what it looks like. Hopefully it's done. Alright guys, it's done. I've taken pictures of it and now I'm going to try it for the first time. I did see nothing. I have not seen anything besides when I had to arrange my croissant rolls. So this is basically all tasting. What is it? Where they're like, you eat with your eyes? Well, today I have no eyes, so I'm actually gonna eat with my mouth, like normal people. Okay, whatever. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's too hot though. I don't want to eat it.
Are we done with this?
With what?
The video.
No, I gotta do my outro. Under the Blindfolded is a hot mess. So, thank you so much for joining me today in this video. It was a very interesting challenge and I enjoyed it. I had some fun, I had some frustrations, but I think overall it turned out good. Again, I do not know what it looks like. I will see what it looks like when this video cuts out. Yeah, if you liked it, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification so that you guys can get updated every beautiful Wednesday morning when I upload new videos like this one. And please check out my Instagram, behind the scenes and restaurant reviews and anything about food basically is on there. So please go check it out. Okay, well, I will see you guys next Wednesday. Bye.